Welcome to the Trial Binder section. Disclaimer: the information provided on this site is not legal advice, but is provided for informational purposes only. If you are in need of legal advice, we advise you consult with an attorney. Where am I in the process? As much as you may have tried to avoid it or not, it has been confirmed and it has been decided that your case is going to trial. Going through trial can be stressful and overwhelming with rules that you will have to follow as well as multiple forms that should be completed without errors. These forms should be kept throughout the trial and retained after the trial is complete for record keeping and for your reference. Therefore, you will need to create a detailed trial binder. What is the purpose of this step? A trial binder is your entire case in a 3-ring binder. The binder will only have information regarding your case. It should not have any post-it notes, loose paper, notes for another case, or your to-do list. All completely filled out templates should be in the binder, such as but not limited to pleadings, discovery requests and responses, jury information, witness list, exhibit list, opening statements, trial brief, deposition transcripts, motions, closing statements, copy of all applicable laws, including local and court rules. The binder should be in chronological order of the trial. For example, you should not have closing statements with the opening statements, but they should be towards the very end of the binder, and so on. Depending on the size of the case, that will reflect on how much information you will need to include in the binder, and you may end up with 2 binders. What do I need to accomplish during this step? You will need a wide 3-ring binder along with dividers and tabs. This binder will hold everything that has to do with the case. The purpose of the binder is to be fully detailed. If an individual joins the team, then the binder will help that individual be all caught up and should have very minimal questions, if any. The binder has to be extremely organized, that it should take 30 seconds to find the answer in the binder during the trial. By doing so, it would make you look prepared, organized, and knowledgeable of the case. You don't want to look sloppy. The binder will not be turned in to anyone. It is not to be turned in as evidence to the jury, to the judge, or to the other party. It is only for you and your team to review. The trial is over. What happens to the binder? When the trial has come to an end, the binder gets filed away. The binder can be used for future trials as a reference guide. If the case did not go to trial, keep the binder as the case may go to trial in the near future. Thank you for watching the Trial Binder section of Module 5. On behalf of the ULV Justice Center, we thank you for your time and hope this information is helpful in your legal matter.